Do you love the autumn as much as I do? It's really my favorite season of the year. I think because of the cool air, but also the beautiful colors of the trees. And yet, those trees have that burst of color before they let go. And it's part of the whole process of releasing. So what if you and I could have a different idea about letting go? Because sometimes it's hard, isn't it? We hold on with white knuckles. We don't want to let go. We don't always come running and skipping toward change. We have attachments to things that we like doing, to stuff that we have, to people. Attachment is a big part of our experience here on this planet. And yet we need to make space, because when we don't, we become stagnant. And, you know, over in Israel, there's a place called the Dead Sea, where there is no life happening because there's no outflow. And so I wonder if we could, as a community, make the idea of letting go of attachment something that flows from us. This Sunday, that will be my topic. And also we're going to be having a consciousness cleanse coming up. Maybe you want to sign up for that. And we have a special guest musician and who's going to be leading us in meditation and sharing some thoughts and doing a satsang afterwards. So I'm wondering, can we all come together? It was such beautiful energy today at Unity, and the buzz in the foyer afterwards. We were community on fire. Well, what if we now next week go into this idea of letting go and releasing and making space for something new and wonderful? So let's explore it more next week.